Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making one of my favorite protein shake recipes. So this is a pumpkin pie protein shake. So today you will need some of, well, it can be a milk of your choice. I'm going to use my unsweetened cashew milk. I always have frozen bananas in the freezer just because it's just so nice having it extra cold. We are going to add some ice to this recipe as well. That's kind of optional if you want the smoothie to be a bit thicker. We have some cinnamon. So I like to use a Ceylon cinnamon. This is a less processed version of cinnamon. Now the recipe originally does call for a pumpkin pie spice. However, I am out of it because I have been doing all these recipes up, so I'm going to use cinnamon instead. I do have 1/3 cup of puree pumpkin. Now the recipe originally did call for half a cup, but I'm just going to scale it back a little bit because I don't need that much pumpkin today. And then I'll have my vanilla protein powder. So Perfect Sports French vanilla is what I'm using today. Just 1 scoop of that. And then I also really like having French vanilla stevia now, just to kind of make it a little bit sweeter. I have a big sweet tooth. So we're basically going to mix all of this stuff together. So I'm going to add the ice, and I do about half a banana, half a frozen banana. This is chili. First, I'm going to get my fingers nice and gucky for the rest of this recipe. Okay, so we've got that, and then you can do a 1 cup is what I originally do. I will add the ice. I just have one of the boys napping, so I might skip the ice today just to be a little bit quieter. We're going to do, so for the cinnamon, about half a teaspoon. So again, I'm just going to eyeball it because that's just what I do. But half a teaspoon is what you're going to do. You have the pure pumpkin. See, this will just go in there like so. Yep, good. And then my 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. And then I'm gonna just do a couple drops of the vanilla, and then I'll try and add my ice. Hopefully I don't wake anybody up. All right, and there you have it. So you can add a little bit of, if you did do the pumpkin spice, you can always add a little bit of cinnamon on top to make it more of, a latte feel. But you want something different if you are someone that enjoys your shakes like myself. It's nice mixing it up sometimes. So anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this, but let me know in the comments what you think. If there's any other types of recipes that you'd like me to try, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye everyone.